Hello students, you all are welcome in grade 6 maths subject. Today's topic chapter number 11, exercise 11.3, page number 233. Question number 1. You read the exercise. Make up as many expressions with the numbers as you can from 3 numbers is given 5, 7 and 8. Every number should be used not more than once. Use addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, you can write answer 5, 7, 8. You use addition, multiplication or multiplication, addition, multiplication, subtraction, like that. So we can write like this way: 5 plus into bracket 7 plus 8, associative property. Then 5 plus 7 plus 8, this is also associative property. Then multiplication we put like this way. Then this is distributive property: 5 multiplied by 7 plus 8, 5 multiplied by minus 7 minus 8, 5 multiplied by 7 minus 8, 5 multiplied by minus 7 plus 8, etc. Okay, so this is its answer. Question number 2, students, please note down the question number and then question answer. You must have to write the question. Which out of the following an expression with numbers only? It means here y plus 3, so y is a variable. So variable should not come, अल्फाबेट नहीं आना चाहिए, only numbers. तो वो किस में है आप देख सकते हो, वो D में है, देखो only 5 number is there. And then C में, C and D answer. So answer C and D. In question number 3, you have to identify, say z plus 1 means addition, comma z minus 1 means subtraction, comma y plus 7 means addition, comma y minus 17 means subtraction, like that. B, 17y, 17 into y, so multiplication. Which operation is used, that you are going to write down in this. So here I have written the answer. Okay. In C you see, C. In C, 2y plus 10 means 2y means multiplication and addition. So I am writing like here multiplication and addition. And then 2y minus 17 means multiplication and SUB means subtraction. So this is the answer. Question number 5. Give expressions in the following cases. Number 1. 11 is added to m means 11 plus 2m. B. 11 subtracted from 2 means 2m minus 11. 5 times y means 5y, to which 3 is added. So 5y plus 3. Like this way you have to write down all. Here is the answer. Give expression for the following cases. First is 7 plus p. Then in second, p minus 7 in C. P multiplied by 7 in D. What is D? 5 times y, from which 3 is subtracted. Sorry, this is the answer of question number 4. 7 is added to p means 7 plus p. 7 subtracted from p means p minus 7. Then 7 multiplied by p. P multiplied by 7 means 7p, or p multiplied by 7. D. P divided by 7. dp divided by 7. Then E. 7 subtracted from minus m. तो from है ना, from के बाद जो है वो पहले लेने का. 7 subtracted from minus m, तो from के बाद वाला minus m है. Minus m, 7 is subtracted. Then F. Minus p multiplied by 5. Minus p multiplied by 5. G. Minus p divided by 5. Okay. And H. P is multiplied by minus 5. In H, P is multiplied by minus 5. Now question number 5. Give expressions in the following cases. 11 is added to 2m means what? Answer 11 plus 2m. B. 11 is subtracted from 2m. I told you that in this from के बाद जो है वो पहले लिखो. 2m minus 11. 5 times y means 5y. 3 is added. 5y plus 3. Okay. This is the answer of question number 5. B, C. Just now we have done. Then D answer is what? 5 times from which 3 is subtracted. 5 times y means 5y minus 3. E, y is multiplied by minus 8. So y multiplied by minus 8, or you can say minus 8y. F, y is multiplied by minus 8. So y is multiplied by minus 8 and then add to 5. So y into minus 8 plus 5, or you can write minus 8y plus 5. Okay. So like this way you can write down G and H, read and write the answers. Question number 6. From expression using T and 4, use not more than one time operations. Every expression must have T in it. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जैसा है वो. Yes, this is the answer of question number 6. T plus 4, T minus 4, 4T minus 4, 4T. In every expression, T must be present. T divided by 4 or 4 divided by T, 40 plus 4, like this way. Let us start exercise 11.4, question number 1. Here question number 1, answer the following. Take Sarita's present age be y years. तो सरिता की एज को हमें y years लेना है, right? And prepare the algebraic expression. Number 1, what will be her age 5 years from now? Means after 5 years. After 5 years her age will be 5 plus y years. What was her age 3 years back? Past में है तो minus और future में है तो plus. 3 years back यानी y minus 3 years. Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. What is the age of her grandfather? So the grandfather's age is equal to 6 times of her age, means 6y. So Sarita's grandfather age is 6 into y, right? Like this way. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. What is the grandmother's age? Chalo, grandfather's age that we have find out, 6y. Now grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather, means 6y minus 2. Younger means minus and elder means plus. Okay. Sarita's father is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. What is her father's age? So father's age is equal to Sarita's father is 5 years more, means plus 5. 3 times the age of Sarita means 3x plus 5. Okay. You see the answer. Exercise 11.4, question number 1. Just now I have explained what will be her age 5 years from now, means after 5 years she will be 5 plus 5 years, y plus 5 years. Okay. Then what was her age 3 years back? है ना, 3 वर्ष पहले कितना होगा उनका एज सरिता का? y minus 3. y प्रेजेंट एज है. देन थर्ड वन में क्या है? सरिता's grandfather is 6 times of her age, means 6 into y. इसके बाद फोर्थ में Sarita's father age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. So what is the Sarita's father's age? So fourth में तो grandmother is 2 years more younger than grandfather. So grandfather's age, so let the grandfather's age be x years. Okay, because we have to find out grandfather's age. So grandfather's age is 6y, right? Now in fourth one we have to find out the grandmother's age. So grandmother age is 2 years less than grandfather's age. Write down the statement, grandmother's age is 2 years younger, means minus. Then grandfather's हमने पहले ढूंढ लिया 6y. So like this way you can prepare algebraic expressions in the form of equation. Then question number B is there. Length of rectangular hall is 4 meter less than 3 times the breadth of the wall. what is the length, and here if the breadth is b meters. देखो आप है ना यहाँ कंपैरिजन है, पहले क्या दिया है, लेंथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगुलर हॉल इज 4 मीटर लेस देन 3 टाइम्स द ब्रेथ ऑफ द वॉल. पहले लेंथ दिया है, बाद में ब्रेथ दिया है, राइट. तो आपको क्या करने का, यहाँ कुछ कंसिडर करना है फर्स्ट. तो या लेंथ को कंसिडर करेंगे या ब्रेथ को करेंगे. तो आप देखो पहले आपको ये द लेंथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगुलर इज 4 मीटर लेस देन 3 टाइम्स द ब्रेथ ऑफ द होल, बराबर. तो सेकंड में क्या दिया है, ब्रेथ, तो ब्रेथ को कंसिडर कर दो. लेट द ब्रेथ बी b मीटर्स, यहां दिया है हिंट. देयरफॉर the length of the rectangular hole is 4 meter less than, so length of the rectangle is equal to, look the answer, let the breadth of the hole be b meters, बराबर. जो सेकंड में जो दिया है उसको कंसिडर कर दो, सेकंड में b है, पहले में लेंथ है. therefore length of the rectangular hole is 4 meter. now length of the rectangular hole is 4 meter less than 3 times the breadth of hole. Therefore length of the rectangle say L is equal to 4 meter less है, बराबर. 4 meter less means -4 रख दो. 3 times the breadth means 3b. Length of the hole is 4 meter less means minus, 4 meter more है तो plus, 4 meter less than 3 times the breadth of the hole. So our expression becomes L is equal to 3b minus 4 meters. So this is the answer. Similarly, in a C question, a bus travel at v kilometer per hour. So nahi. Rectangular box has height h centimeters. So the rectangular box is equal to h centimeter height. Okay. Then its length is 5 times the height of the height and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Now let the box length be L centimeter and breadth be b centimeter. पहले consider कर दो. Now go step by step. Now its length is 5 times the height, means L is equal to 5 into h, and breadth is 10 times less. Breadth is 10 centimeter less, 10 times nahi, sorry, breadth is 10 centimeter less than length, barabar. Breadth is 10 centimeter less than L, so b is equal to L minus 10. Therefore b is equal to 5h minus 10. कैसे आया, तो कि L is equal to 5h था ना, तो L equal to 5h वो यहाँ रख दीजिए. The value of breadth is 5h minus 10, means breadth we have to find out in terms of height. ये लेंथ का वैल्यू 5, ये कहाँ से आया, क्योंकि लेंथ इक्वल टू 5h ढूंढा है, वो यहाँ रख दो लेंथ के बदले में. That's why I am putting here this tick mark. Now D. Meena, Beena and Leena are climbing the steps to the hilltop. Meena is at step S. Beena is 8 steps ahead, means plus. Leena is 7 steps behind, behind means minus. Where are the position of Beena and Meena? The total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than the 4 times Meena has reached. So express the total number of steps using S. So you see this answer. So first of all we have to consider, let Meena's position be S. Now Beena position is 5 steps ahead, means plus, S plus 8. Leena's position 7 steps behind, means S minus 7. Total number of steps वो दिया है, क्या है, total number of steps to the hill top is 10 step less than 4 times the Meena has reached. तो Meena का क्या है, Meena has reached S. So 4 times, बराबर 10 step less than Meena has reached, बराबर. तो 4 into Meena का क्या है, S, 4S minus 10. E. So read the problem. Speed of the bus say v kilometer per hour. Now here we have to remember speed is equal to distance upon time. Therefore distance is equal to speed into time. So these you remember. Now distance traveled in 5 hours is equal to, distance is equal to क्या है, speed into time, and speed is v, time क्या है 5, distance traveled in 5 hours, so v into 5 means 5v distance measured in kilometer. और remaining distance कितना बाकी रह गया, remaining distance is 20 kilometer, so total distance is what, 5 meter plus बाकी रह गया वो 5v plus 20 kilometer. Like this way you can frame the algebraic expression. Question number 2, you read from textbook. Change the following statement using expression into statement in ordinary language. Number 1, a notebook cost is P. A book cost is 3P. Means what? Book cost is 3 times the notebook. Right? Tony puts Q marble on the table. He has 8 Q marble in the box. Means Tony has 8 times the marble in the box. Our class has n students. The school has 20 n students. Means our school has 20 times more than our class. Jaggu is Z years old. His uncle is 4Z years old. Means his uncle is 4 times elder than Jaggu's age. Jaggu's age is 7 Z years. So his uncle's age is 4Z means 4 multiplied by Z means 4 times Jaggu's age, and his aunt is 4Z minus 3 means aunt is 3 years less than Jaggu's uncle. 4Z किसकी है? Jaggu's की uncle की. So like this way you can write down in your own statement. In E, in arrangement of the dots, there are R rows. Each row contains 5 dots. It means that total dots are 5 into R. In an arrangement of dots, there are R rows. In each row contain 5 dots. बराबर? So total dots is equal to 5 into R. Abhi question number 3. Munnu's age is X years. Can you guess X minus 2 may show? चलो 2 years less है कोई. So let's we talk about Munnu's younger brother is 2 years less than Munnu's age. ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. Can you guess x plus 4? x plus 4 किसको बोलते हैं? यानी कि उसका बड़ा भाई ले लेते हैं, है ना. तो x plus 4 किसको हम कंसिडर करेंगे? वो आपको कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा. इसको बिग ब्रदर को ले लो. फिर ये 3x plus 7 है तो उसके फादर को ले लो. तो आप ऐसे बोल सकते हो कि x plus 4 means what? Mannu's bigger brother or elder brother is 4 times more than Munnu's age. 3x plus 7. So Munnu's father is 7 years more than 3 times the age of Munnu's. 3x plus 7. Like this way you can write down these answers. Given Sarah's age today be y years, think of her age in the future and past. तो इसमें क्या करना है? बी में जो प्लस है ना, प्लस मीन्स they are that age that we take in future, और माइनस है that we take in past. तो आप लिख दो ऐसे. Now this is question number 3's answer. So please students note down. यहाँ मैंने कंसेप्ट में लिखा है, रिमेंबर, माइनस इंडिकेट पास्ट एंड प्लस इंडिकेट फ्यूचर. See, that is your homework. Okay, so here till here exercise 11.4 is over. Next time we will do the last exercise, that is 11.5. Okay, till then have a nice day. Goodbye.